Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Sonic key fob. Before you begin, make sure you have all the key fobs you want to program ready and accessible. It's also a good idea to check your vehicle's battery to ensure it's fully charged, as a low battery can sometimes interfere with the programming process. Finally, having your owner's manual handy can be helpful for specific model details. To start, sit in the driver's seat and insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately after turning the key, press and hold the unlock button on the driver's side door panel. Keep holding it down until you hear a chime or the door lock cycle, indicating the vehicle is now in programming mode. Once your vehicle is in programming mode, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob. Continue holding them until you hear the door lock cycle again, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one immediately. After programming all your key fobs, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, test each key fob to ensure all functions, like locking, unlocking, and the trunk release, work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.